from you. Okay. So, meron tayong yung ano. So, using that, yung AX must be okay. So, man, just to get a sense of what's happening, paki-calculate yung value ng AX. So plug in the values to get AX just so makita lang natin yung ano,
So, ano ba na? Inside.
sin 12, no?
Wala ko na po scenario. So, kung po yung A.
Teka, so anong value niyan?
So, it's something. Wala mo. Wala pa na yung dito. Wala mo. Kunin ko lang po yung calculator.
Sige.
Wala po yung calculator. Bro. Okay. So, this is something was missing. Okay, that's the fault. So anyway, sine 12 minus plus 60. Wait a minute. Radius mode. Okay. So, 3.71.
Okay. Yung sa kung yung case B naman, anong nangyayari? Ano value ng AX? Just for comparison.
So, for me, okay.
Okay, yung units, don't forget. Ano dapat yung units ng pareho?
The units. Mm, wait. Okay, I'm not being, ano po, bamboozled. So it's correct.
Mhm. So 1.08. Man, what is that? Without doing any computations yet, what do we expect ngayon from do sa case A? Will it slow down or will it speed up?
Mm, dito, it's slowing down. Here, it's speeding up.
Mhm. Okay. So, at least meron tayong idea na gano'n, no? Ngayon, so, paano naman yun, no? Yung computation ng speeds. We know the distance traveled, we know the acceleration, ano yung, how do you get the final speed?
Mm, V is equals something. Ano mo? So, what is it supposed to be?
Teka, constant acceleration, no? So, ano yung tatlong kinematic equations ng constant acceleration?
Uh, I think this would be, wait. Minsan ko po yung kinematic equation yung V squared sa, kasi V squared something. Uh, kinematic equations. Kinematic equations.
Ganito.
Ayun, okay.
Uh,
So, V
sige.
is 0.
Is equal to yung A na yan, that's okay. So pagka ano, so if you solve for V square, what do you get? So tingnan natin ano, if A is positive, ano nangyayari dyan sa V square? Is it going to speed up or slow down?
So, here, nakaano siya na, it should slow down.
Mhm.
It should speed up.
Mhm. So, okay. So ngayon pakikuha yung computation for the final speeds.
So, zero is given. Ayun. Times four.
Let's
145 minutes. Okay.
Teka, bakit yan yung final speed?
Mm-hmm. Wait a minute. Something's wrong. So, mine
Mhm.
is so large.
Ano
Uh,
unit ng 18 square?
okay. I found it. I think I should put the radical sign already po para ganun, para alam ko. I forgot. Okay,
Mm.
so this is 12 point, okay, makes sense. 0.7, so 1.
Okay. Tapos yung sa letter B,
Mhm. For me, it's the same thing, but 1.08, okay. Prepare. Mm-hmm. Prepare. Okay. 1.08. Square root. 19.4. Ayan ba?
mhm. Okay. So, mas mabilis nga, di ba? So, compared sa 18 meters per second, nag-speed up pa siya. Okay. Punta tayo sa ano, sa yung next number, yung number 19. It is 11:05.
First 19. So, pinupushan ko yun eh. Okay. So, yun lang pala yung hinahanap eh. Yun yung right connotation.
Sorry. Hindi.
Mhm. Eliminated. Pag ganito pala po yung ano na, normal force.
Mhm.
Okay. And, yeah. The block is not moving initially. Will the block move? Okay. Hmm. So, dapat. So, the neighbors, a little well, the silence of the That's okay. And, Okay, so it should be not should be greater. Uh-huh. Okay, so this is oh, so this one about 160. Mhm. Newton, 5
Yeah.
Newton.
Ano yung value ng Fs max muna?
Ayun. E,
So, 0.6 times 12 is,
7.2.
okay, so yung maximum static friction is 7.2 newtons and it's greater than yung actual friction na kailangan. Therefore,
Yung friction present is less than yung maximum friction. So the block
which
does not.
means, okay, the block will not move. Tapos yun sa letter B, in unit vector notation, using yung XY axis na binigay, what is the force on the block from the wall?
So what is the force from the block from away? So dapat na naman ah. Ano na?
Anyway, so may conclusion. So A, ano dapat? And then B,
So A, block is not move. Ayun. So yung ano naman, B, ano daw yung what force? Okay, so dapat yun. Exerted on negative curve. That's negative. What? Negative curve. Newton's I. You push. And then, uh-huh. Plus
okay,
5
so negative.
A. But,
Teka, ano yung tanong?
exerted
By?
by ano ba?
Okay. Ngayon, ano yung tinatanong sa letter B?
The force exerted on the block
By?
by the force exerted on the block by the wall.
Mhm. Okay. And then, teka, I need to, sige. So, yung I component is pointing downwards, pointing to the left, di ba? Tapos, so yung I component is represents yung normal force. Yung J component, that represents yung friction. So friction is going to be up, and then yung isa to the left. Okay, sige. So let's go to the next item.
21.
So yung number 20.
20. 20. So, a box of Cheerios. Okay, a box of Cheerios. A box, okay. Cereal boxes. Oh no. Oh no. Why? Why? Wait. Okay lang, no. Okay lang. Ano, okay, this is sad. Anyway. Ano ko lang, reload ko na lang. Wala. Nagkano lang. So, it's scrolling. Ano ko na stop to?
Hindi, close mo na lang yung close mo yung window, tapos start mo ulit.
Wala mo.
Usually, yan naman yung eh. Ano yung ginagamit mong ano yung ginagamit mong pangbukas ng document?
Edge. Where's the... Oh no. So, Fargan. Here's this chapter 4. So, chapter 6. Wow! Sakto. Okay, so this is number 20. This is not it. Oh, this is it. Number 20. Okay, here. So, a box of Cheerios and a box of cheese. Okay. So, read the cross bar. The magnitude of the frictional force to okay. What's the magnitude force on the Cheerios box?
See.
Okay. The magnitude of the friction force. Okay. Oh.
Kailangan ko ba talagang i-separate yung dalawa? So, system. Kulang yung information na binigay.
So, W.
Okay. Sige. That's 4. Tapos, okay na.
Okay. So, may counter. Meron ba ba? Meron ba?
The Wheaties box. So, mas Wheaties.
So, ano daw? Hinahanap. Hanap yun. What's the magnitude of the force on the Wheaties box? Hmm. Kailangan din. Okay. Highlight na. So, alam ito. Okay. Alam din yung this. Since hindi naman nagana, so alam din to. Okay. What is the magnitude of the force? Malaman ko. Tingnan mo. So the magnitude of may friction pala. Okay, I forgot na may friction. Why? Okay, so I completely forgot that friction exists. So hindi pala po friction. Kung sa amin siguro masabi sa ano mo, yung walang friction. Okay, may friction dito. So may friction. Okay, static ba? No, kinetic. Kinetic. C, kinetic. W.
Actually, kahit naiwan mo lang siya as FCFW, okay pa rin eh. Kaya lang naman natin i-distinguish kasi kung kakailanganin natin yung mu KNF at mu SNF. Well, it's just friction. Okay. So, hinighlight mo na ba lahat ng known?
Hinighlight yung known?
Hindi. Ano yung hina-highlight mo? Yung mga known quantities or yung mga unknown?
Known po, known. Okay. So, ito pala alam. Okay. It's the missing piece. So, since alam to, then...
Ano pa?
Wait. Is there anything else? Wait, parang, di ba kulang po yung ano to, information or not? They're moving at the same acceleration, if there's any. So...
In-assume in contact yung dalawa eh. So, moving at the same velocity and moving at the same acceleration.
But the frictional force will be different. So... Wait, the frictional force...
So, yung frictional force dun sa Cheerios, is it known?
Frictional force... Okay, ano pala? I cannot read. So, I have removed my reading comprehension. So, it's known. Okay, since this is known, and it's accelerating.
So, ngayon, set up mo yung... Actually, natin kailangan yung normal forces eh. So, forget about yung Y components. So, X components na yung kailangan natin. Actually, may ano yun eh. So, is the acceleration known?
No, hindi ko alam yung
No,
explanation.
di ba? Tapos, what else we know? Yung Wheaties on Cheerios at saka Cheerios on Wheaties,
Are the same.
the same. So, kung magpalit tayo ng variable, what are we looking for? Force on the Wheaties box from the Cheerios. So, we're looking for F. So, which F? CW, no? Tapos alam natin yung masses ng dalawa. So, M Cheerios times A equals, so paki-set up na.
So, dito mo, okay.
MC
Ano ba?
A
X.
equals
What is it? F minus
FWC plus minus friction. Okay. And then MWAX
just U. There's minus
FW. Okay. Tapos, again, highlight yung mga known at saka yung mga unknown. Para lang ma-track natin. So, what do we know sa mga yan?
So, kailangan din pala po yung tama. Okay, so,
Hindi, ganito, para matrack natin. Sa equations mismo, ano yung mga known, ano yung mga unknown?
mhm. Is known. Yes. No. Not known. And then, no.
Yung F Cheerios, alam, no? Ano pa?
Shit. Ano po?
Okay, ngayon, ilang unknowns yan?
Two unknowns to equation, so it's possible to find out.
Mhm. Tapos yung FCW at saka FWC equal yan, di ba? So use the same variable na lang para hindi confusing. So next line. Since FWC equals FCW from Newton's third law,
So, here from humans. Okay, and then, mhm. So, this is ano ba? Ano yung MC1? Okay, AX lang. AX. Tapos, push. Ano yung push? F12. Tapos, pareho naman sila. So, minus Wheaties box. 4 newtons. Previous box is 2 newtons. Therefore, AX equals
Palitan mo na yung WC uh, ng CW sa first equation para kita na. Kasi Newton's third law na tayo eh. Tapos yan. So, two equations with two unknowns. Di ba may equation solver yung fx991ex?
Labo. So, 1.
Isulat mo siya in a form na suitable for the equation solver.
1.
So, ax plus fcw is equal to yan. Okay, or check natin yung numbers. So, ang acceleration ay 1.5, tapos 17/2 is 8.5 newtons. Kailangan nating i-decimal yan kasi yung given may significant figures eh. So, write down in decimal form. Teka, pasulat in decimal form.
This what is it?
With units.
This. Hindi na-assume na lang po na meters per second ako. Sa newtons. Yun.
Okay. Ngayon, punta tayo sa next sa next item.
Next item.
Sige, let's do number 21.
Usually cable box. Okay. Ay, alam ko na to. So, nagawa ko na po pala to. So,
tension. Ito yung angle. Pull the greatest. Sana i-maximize.
Oh, ganda.
Friction. Yes. Sana i-maximize yun.
Wait, tuloy talaga ako lang. Sa box. Phone. Ayan, it's going to be. Mhm. Mhm. Ah, okay. So ano daw yung ano pala, may angle pala siya.
Oo.
So it's not horizontal. It's horizontal. It's arbitrary angle.
So first time.
Yeah.
Hmm. Gitu ah.
Okay, so what now is the angle? What's the weight? Okay,
Gusto natin i-maximize to.
maximizing problem. Mm.
And then see. Sine of cosine
So,
of C. Ayan. Gusto natin i-maximize yan. Which means ang maximum we want to be equal to is to be 1. So theta equals siya 20 minus Teka, i-assume mo dito na maximum static friction yung nangyayari. Kasi G.
So anyway, basta nandito lang. So, find the angle daw.
So ang gusto nating i-maximize yung load, yung mg. Yung T, alam natin, except yung angle. Yung friction, we don't know, but we should be able to express it in terms of mg. Teka, Fn minus mg equals 0? Kaya hindi pwedeng Fn minus mg equals 0. Ano-ano forces along, tingnan mo yung yung free body diagram mo.
Ayun. So, may ano pala. So, ito yung G. Theta, okay, sign.
Hindi pa natin alam kung anong angle yung best. Kasama siya sa mga unknowns to determine eh.
Bagong feature. Para sa angle. So,
Then, wala pang sense na na mag-measure out ng actual angle. Kasi,
pero alam mo
pa
po yung
natin alam yun eh.
that is the way. Ayun. So, ito na yung missing key.
So, pag ganyan, pwede natin i-assume na maximum static friction na. So, 0. Tapos, yung y component, yung x component naman, okay. Ngayon, gusto nating i-maximize yan. Actually, yung i-maximize natin yung mg. Tapos ang parameter natin, theta. So, maximize mg with respect to theta. Which means the others must be expressible in terms of known quantities. So I think for this one, pwede mo nang i-assume na yung friction maximum na.
So, Wala din. Anyway, so, alam yung T, alam yung modeling of the. So, yung F4 is
Okay. So T cosine theta minus or equals mu s. Okay. So we're solving for mg.
so, alam is
Yung mu s known.
and then we want to maximize mg.
mg. So solve for mg first. So mg is equal to ano in terms of
Ice mixing. So,
okay. Teka lang. Wait. Patingin mo, pag distribute mo yan, hindi na tama yan. Okay, yung 1 over mu s is greater than 1. Di ba? Kasi mu s is less than 1. Gusto nating i-maximize yung mg with respect to the angle theta. So how do we do that?
dapat
So
niya
or gawin mo na, let mg be equal to w na lang, yung weight. And then we want to maximize the weight. So yung t at saka yung mu, panay known. So if we want to maximize the weight, ano yung dapat na gawin natin?
Sama na po yung maximum problem. So, ano daw? So, paano ba? When cosine theta and sine theta sila. Ano kaya yung maximum? Wait, so ano po yung ano na? Yung T, saka tension. Ay, so, so yung ano pala po na, it's kind of funny kasi ano pala, ito yung W, ito pala yung with respect to. Kailangan na pala. Naging ano na lang po siya, naging basic maximization.
Mhm.
Maximizing problem.
Maximization, yeah.
Yun. So, negative, instead of, ayun. So, babalik na rin pala sila. Ayun, T cos minus T. Okay, so,
Kaya cosine minus t, okay, sine. And then kailangan for a maximum,
ano ba yun? For a max, wait, so maximum dapat yung double, ano niya, 0. So, 0. So, 0 is equal to whatever is 110.
Yan na,
Oh,
solve for tangent theta.
okay. So, yun nga po, para hindi na mahirapan. So, 0. Okay, paano kaya ito?
Pansin mo, yung ano, hindi kailangan yung t. Diba?
Sin theta over, okay, tangent theta is equal to, ano? So, sin theta is equal to cosine theta. Therefore, blah, blah, blah. Oh, it all goes back to tangent theta equals, ano, mu sine, yeah, mu static. So, basta na po parang it always comes back. Yung tangent, wait, theta is equal to tangent inverse. I always come back. So anyway, so it's always here. Never goes away. So, basta for any sort of parang yung ibang problems din. For any maximization problem on the theta, if you want to maximize the load, then it's always this equation. It always comes up. So,
Hindi, una, so
35.
tangent inverse of 0.35.
This is 19.29.
Okay, so 19 newtons kung 2 sig fig.
Wait, 19 degrees.
Sorry. Tama. Degrees nga yan eh.
And then what is the weight of what's the weight now? So B, what's the weight? So alam nothing, bro? So nothing is known. Wow.
Yun eh, may expression tayo for W, di ba? Tingnan mo.
Wow, okay.
W is equal to T over mu S.
Okay, so the tension becomes relevant eventually. I find it weird nga po na why would they put tension when it's going to be cancelled out anyway. So it must be used. So moment. So dapat here 0.35. Cosine this ano ba, 19.29 na lang, blah. Then, that plus 100 sine 19.29 this is weight. So, this weight 100 1100 cosine this plus 1100 sine this. So that's like 332. Wow, okay. So that's 300 newtons.
Okay. Ngayon, dito ginawa natin, nag-maximize tayo using, nag-calculus tayo. Gusto ko maghanap ng non-calculus solution for part A and for part B. So, balik tayo sa expression. W equals, so alternative solution. So, pahi-copy ng W equals T over mu cosine theta plus T sine theta. Tapos, new page. Para lang hindi magulo. So, ito yung second solution. That can be written as, so if W is that, so pi factor, yung pag tingin mo yung itsura niya, that looks like cosine, parang pwede mo siyang isulat as something times cosine of theta plus an angle using yung addition formula for sine or cosine.
So there must be
Nalan mo yung mga R formulae dun sa, yung sa additional math, yung expressing that expression as something times R sine of something plus something.
I forgot the R formulas po. Wait lang. So ano po yung, ano po?
I-ano mo yan, yung target natin is something like this. Masusulat siya in the form equals A sine of theta plus alpha.
What about this? It's just this, is still part of
Hindi,
it.
ang mangyayari niyan, kailangan mo i-convert yung expression na from above into something that looks like that. Okay,
So,
ano yung identities for sine of theta plus alpha? That's sin cos cosine, di ba?
sin cos. Okay, so, yun lang. So,
So
basta,
expand mo yan and then compare coefficients.
where's it? Sine,
Theta plus alpha
equals sine theta plus, okay, plus. Cos,
Okay. So, ngayon, pag ginamit mo yan sa second expression, masusulat mo yun as A sine theta cosine alpha plus
okay. So I can isolate, so I can conclude actually. So I can conclude that this should be equal to A sine alpha and tension should equal A cos alpha. Okay,
which
so
means,
which means something. So
okay.
divide siguro, ayun.
Mm-hmm.
Red. So it's the same thing. You will end up with this.
You end up with the same thing. Pero may isang may explicit expression kasi for A. For A cosine alpha. So, ganito. What if you're looking for A? What's A?
Try subtract. Wait.
Sige, square mo both sides and then add together. So, T square, tension square
So
over mu
maybe
S
i na
square.
lang po, square na lang po sa isang side.
So,
Hmm.
tension squared plus, tapos, yung, yan, okay, A squared cosine squared alpha. So, if you add together, so, therefore, A square is equal to, factor out mo yung T square kasi panggulo yun eh.
So um, P squared. Okay, so can be calculated. What's this? So this is 100.
And then, wag mo na mag-substitute. Gusto lang natin variables.
And then for side lang nga po, just the alpha pala. Just divide. So,
Hindi, wag muna. Gusto lang, i-simplify mo natin yung A. So, yung tension pa natin ilabas. Kasi magnitude na naman. Tapos yung yan, that's going to be mu sub S square, square root of mu sub S square.
wait.
So, isang denominator. 1 plus mu S square sa numerator over
Okay.
mu
So now,
S.
pwede malabas na po nito. So, mu S. Tada!
Okay, so ngayon, ibalik mo ngayon yan dun sa expression for the weight. Weight is equal to,
Wait. Is equal to this.
so A is, so T over mu S, square root of 1 plus mu S square. Sine of theta plus alpha.
Ayun.
Okay, kailan nagma-maximize yan?
When wait. So when sine is 1, yun yung maximum na
Mhm.
value ko eh.
So W max is
Hmm, equal to ano na, pi over 2
90, di ba?
or 90,
Or
95
pi over 2.
kasi degrees yung ano ko na. Degrees ba
Mm.
units?
Degrees yung units natin. Okay, so when theta plus alpha is 90, sine is 1, and therefore W max is equal to diba? So may explicit expression tayo in terms of mu s square and tension, which is if we substitute,
Wow, non-calculus solution. And I think it's almost as long naman po na. Hindi pala.
mm,
It's very, yes, almost as long. So yun nga po yung use ng R formula. So kung may something cosine, something sine, wow, it's the same. Okay.
so 3,300 newtons pa rin. Diba? Ano
Nga
yan
po.
eh? Kaya cool na bigay na problem yan. Kaya binibigay yung ganyang problem sa high school kahit wala pa silang calculus. Kasi may expectation na kaya mong dapat mag-doable siya without calculus. Which is true naman.
The calculus just makes it easier. Yun lang po.
Uh, ano yan eh, kaya siya it's going to be considered a difficult problem for high school na walang calculus. Siyempre, pag may calculus na, first derivative test, second derivative test, medyo, ano na sila eh, medyo formulaic na kasi, di ba, kapag may calculus na. Pero doing it this way, ano yun eh, pogi point siya. Parang yung ano, yung naghahanap ka ng maximum minimum ng quadratic function. Di ba? Madali siya sa calculus, pero kung high school level na bawal ang calculus, babalik ka talaga sa completing the square eh.
Nga po.
Di ba? Okay. Ngayon, for the last 5 minutes, ito lang yung ano, tingnan, ibigay ko lang ko yung next na problem para pwede mong simulan. Yung number 23. Tingin ko hindi siya, hindi siya, kaya note ko, sabi yan. So ito yung, let's just start this.
So it's like yung ano pa yung the salami problem but with friction.
Actually, hindi ko maalala yung salami problem eh. Pero, yeah, basta may friction siya.
No mo.
2 in the table. So, coefficient of kinetic friction. So, I think yung ganito, baka mas ano ba yung mga forces? So, kinetic friction equals m times tapos m1 plus m 2m plus So we expect na it's going to go to the right. The acceleration, no? Acceleration, 500.
So,
Yeah.
five,
Anyway, sige. Since 7 p.m. na, tuloy natin to sa sa Saturday. So, pa-save na lang. Okay, so we'll stop here. I'll see you on Saturday. Bye-bye. Sorry. See you on Thursday for calculus.
Opo. Thank you po.
Sige.
Bye-bye po.